New channel, on the same channel, Cash Family Homestead. It's been many years since I've done YouTube. Like 6.
It's only been 5.
Yeah, maybe. I don't remember.
Your last video I think was in 2020, so.
Yeah, that was like a long time ago.
That was
I was just a boy.
It was only 5 years ago.
I was a boy with a dream. Then I realized I had to get a real job. I'm a forklift driver, wasting the day way at a factory. Everybody, this is my wife. She doesn't love me anymore. Oh, it'll be fine.
That's one of the best ones right here. Like that one.
Here you go, you can be cameraman.
Cool.
I wish the screen did stay on. You have to tap it to actually see what's going on. Why are you just pointing at me? Oh, dang. I cut my beard off. It don't look too good. Oh. There's a fire over there.
You can't even see it on camera.
Yeah, probably.
There's also a fire over there.
I mean, it's finally starting to burn in the middle there.
I mean, it really just looks like smoke on the camera, though.
Yeah.
Here, I'll show the fire.
When everything else burns other
Yeah.
than the pile that you're wanting to burn.
Pretty much.
Our house will be here eventually.
Oh, wow. I got the cedar, too.
Yeah, we'll do it. Are you recording me? Hours and hours and hours later, you're left with almost nothing. Multiple checks. And picking up the stuff from the outside. And the pile's pretty well about gone. Yummy smoke.
This footage is going to be pretty shaky.
Fine. See this hot piece of wood? I'm done.
Big dumb.
Hot piece of wood. Hot piece of wood.
So we go inside. It's so dark outside. Can you see the stars with the camera?
I don't know if I'll do it. It'll make it dark out here.
Oh, you cannot see that.
Can't see nothing?
Yes, you can. Look. It's barely.
Nope, looks black.
I see the star. I see all the. Look at all them stars.
Yeah, those are totally not ashes.
Look at all the stars. Okay, I don't go inside. It's
Okay,
scary.
look at the fire.
I got a camera that's recording you.
Yeah, what's it look like over at the fire?
A fire?
Man, that looks. You're shaky.
I'm cold.
Oh yeah, I like fire. Pretty good stuff. Pretty good stuff. Okay, bye. Record our whole walk home. We're holding hands. Well, gloves and hoodie.
Oh. I wonder if you can see how sparkling the ground is. Oh,
Probably not. Hey guys, can you see how sparkly the ground is? It was pretty sparkly for us.
you'll see it when you're editing it, man.
I'll see it when I'm editing this, babe. Gosh. Okay, bye now.